Welcome to our channel where we provide honest and in-depth reviews on various health products. In this video, we will discuss Quietum Plus, a popular supplement claimed to provide relief from tinnitus. Tinnitus is a condition characterized by persistent ringing, humming, or buzzing sounds in the ears, which can be extremely bothersome. However, there are many products on the market that make bold claims but fail to deliver. So, in this video, we will analyze the effectiveness of Quietum Plus and find out if it's a legitimate solution or just another set of fake pills. Before we delve into the details of Quietum Plus, let's first understand what tinnitus is and how it affects individuals. Tinnitus can be caused by a variety of factors, including exposure to loud noises, ear infections, certain medications, and even age-related hearing loss. People suffering from tinnitus often experience high-pitched or low-frequency noises, which can disrupt their daily lives. It's important to find effective solutions that can alleviate these symptoms and improve the quality of life for those affected. Now, let's dive into the details of Quietum Plus. This supplement claims to provide natural relief from tinnitus using a unique blend of ingredients. Some of the key ingredients include hawthorn berry, garlic, juniper berry, uva ursi, and vitamin C. According to the manufacturer, these ingredients work together to improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and support overall ear health. But do these claims hold up? Let's find out. To determine the effectiveness of Quietum Plus, we conducted extensive research and analyzed user reviews online. We looked for scientific studies, expert opinions, and real experiences shared by individuals who have tried this supplement. By analyzing this data, we aim to provide a comprehensive assessment of Quietum Plus and its potential benefits for tinnitus relief. After thoroughly examining Quietum Plus and considering the available information, it's time to draw a conclusion. In the final segment of this video, we will share our findings and provide an unbiased verdict on whether Quietum Plus delivers on its promises, or if it's just another product making false claims. Stay tuned to find out our final thoughts.